The X Games. Extreme snowboarding, skiing, and snowmobiling. The best athletes push limits and defy gravity. This is the X Games, where the impossible becomes possible. Aspen, Colorado, a place where nature meets adventure. Nestled in the Rocky Mountains, a winter paradise. A perfect setting for winter sports.
Competing in Aspen is electric, says Chloe Kim. The mountains push you to be your best. It's a dream come true for young athletes. Competing at the X Games is the goal.
The crowd is a sea of color, beanies and snowsuits in every direction. The air buzzes with anticipation, a palpable excitement that you can almost touch. Every jump, every trick is met with cheers and applause. The energy is contagious, lifting the spirits of everyone present.
Music pumps through the speakers, adding to the electric atmosphere. The beats resonate with the crowd, syncing with their heartbeats.
Food vendors hawk their wares, offering a variety of delicious treats. The smell of hot chocolate and burgers fills the air.
It's a celebration of winter sports, a gathering of the tribes. Enthusiasts from all over come together to share their passion.
And at the heart of it all, the athletes, pushing boundaries and inspiring awe. They are the stars of the show.
This is the Winter X Games in Aspen, a place where the energy of the crowd, the music, the food, and the athletes come together to create an unforgettable experience.